Pontiac G8 you just saw make a pass is actually my friend Lex. She's been to Ice Cream Cruise I think 3 or 4 years, and every year she brings her G8s a little bit faster. She started it, when she bought the car, of course it was stock, and then she put an LSA blower on it. Now it's twin turbo, built motor, all that stuff. I think it makes somewhere north of 1,400 of the tire. Hey Lex! How was that pass? Was it good?
It felt so good.
It left pretty good.
It felt awesome. Went 576 at 127. I'm like shaking. I'm pretty sure I broke my computer screen because it flew out of my seat on the floor. But
real quick, so you bought the car how many years ago?
6 years.
6 years.
Bone stock.
And it was bone stock, and then you went, did you go LSA first?
Yes, I had an LSA supercharger on it for 3 years. Went 970 or 936 at 147. I lifted ahead and
How much power did that setup make?
803, 719.
Okay. This is kind of a bigger setup. So what are we working with now? What's the setup under the hood?
So we did a Dark 427. Thompson Motorsports built that, and we went with M3 11 heads from Frankenstein. It's got the VTR equalizer. It's got twin 7275 comp oilless turbos.
Okay. You had it on the dyno, right?
Yes.
So how much power does the setup make?
Spinning on the dyno, it made 1,425 horsepower and 1,217.
It made 1425 spinning?
Yes.
Well, how much power do you think it actually made?
Probably like 1550.
So 15 plus in a 4-door family sedan.
Yes.
That's pretty awesome. And what trans do you have in this one? Is this a Glide or is this a...
No, it's a Turbo 400
okay.
from FTI.
So you've done this event, is this your 3rd year or 4th year? 4th year. And how many of those, so when you qualified, where did you sit before? Were you in the second fastest or?
No, I've actually never qualified before.
Oh, so you're in that weird
awkward
area.
Yeah, I found that awkward, like you're not fast enough but you're not slow enough.
Right.
We'll see where she ends up tonight.
Okay, so goal is to qualify into one of those classes.
Yes.
Okay.
That'd be cool. Maybe not the slowest one, but I'll take it.
What was that ET again?
576 at 127.
Okay, 576. That's your best pass? Best 8 that you know of so far?
So far.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, all right. Good luck with the car. We'll see you next How many qualifiers do you guys get?
We get 2.5 hours, as many as we can get through.
Okay.
Get a little car cool down for a minute.
Well, go calm down, cool down, get the car cooled down because it's hot out, and we'll see you in the lanes. Good luck today.
Good, thanks.
Absolutely. Lex already turned her time slip in. Not sure what class she's in yet. I'm gonna guess either fastest or second fastest class. And she's up here just to make a test day, just to get some more seat time in the car. She has like 8 or 9 passes total on the car on the new setup right now. A little spicier on the tune-up there?
8 pounds.
8 pounds? That's it? Dang. How much power does it make on 8 pounds?
I have no idea.
A lot, apparently. All right, we'll see you in eliminations. What's that? Oh, do you teach her how to do burnouts?
I just watch, man. I don't do much here.
Two spots left.
you're going rounds.
I won.
You're going rounds.
So close.
Yeah, no, I was like, what was? How close? He said .022.
Yeah,
He was like, she had to have got me by like a couple inches.
we were literally like right neck and neck. I had no idea. No idea what was going on.
Really? How did it? What did you run?
Ran a 6:14 at 1:16. It's fine.
Let's put her back in the fives then.
Yeah.
What'd you do with the tune up there?
We went back down to leaving on 6 pounds, I think. Just because when we turned it up, I spun really bad.
Gotcha.
Better.
Gotcha.
Brian Lamb and Logan
Get her cooled off. Get her turned around. We'll see you next round.
All right,
wrapping
okay.
up.
Was it a good pass?
Yeah, I got back in the 5. 581 at 122.
Okay. Well, you're back in the fives. You really, like, it would have taken a miracle to beat that guy. But, hey, you went rounds. Is this your first event that you've raced this?
For ICC it is. It's the first time I've ever made it into the
Oh, that's right. That's right. Well, what are you hoping to do with the car? What's the goal for the car on this setup for this year? What are you thinking?
This year, I'd like to get like mid-8s.
Mid-8s?
Yeah. I have a cage, so I need one.
Get a cage in this thing.
I'm going to. We were working on it, but we ran out of time. So we don't want to turn it up too much without a cage, but we'll get that done. And hopefully my transmission is fine.
That's racing.
It is what it is.
Well, thanks for bringing the car out. I'm glad you actually got to race it this year. We will see you at the next one.
Yeah, good seeing you.
Oh yeah.
Bye.
Get it while you can.
Well, with 10 passes on the car, she made it back into fives. She put up a fight. I mean, that car qualified with a 501, so not much you can do there. But she put up a good fight. That car will be fast soon. It makes, I think, she said it made 1425 spinning on the dyno. Easily a 1500 horsepower car, and they haven't even touched what that car can do. So be on the lookout for that later. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one.